Yeah, it's Levicrabtree420 on the beat, and this one's called Gasp. Like, I gasp for air. I gasp for air. I always gasp for air. Like where to share, where to gare, where to dare, where to mare, where to fare. I don't know, but I'm gasping for air. I'm gasping for air. I'm gasping for air, cause it's tricky out here. I'm gasping for air, but I'm a legendary dare. And I know that I'm gasping for air, cause it's tricky out here. I just wanna know if you know me, like you think you know me. But I just wanna know, and I just wanna know, but I don't need to know, cause I already know that you're gasping for air, cause it's tricky out here, ain't it? Ain't it? Yeah. But the bonus is, metallically, I'm gonna make it in the motherfucking metallically, and I ain't messing around. Motherfuckers think that I'm a gasping for air, but I'm a legendary out here. It's tricky out here, I don't care. I know that I'ma be fair. Life ain't fair, but I'll be fair, cause I'm just one of many that actually go and I do right. I'm all good, I ain't negative. Fuck the bad, cause I'm a good guy. Fuck the bad guys. And you know, just cause you're a cop with a badge don't mean you're good, could mean you're bad. Cause you're using the good to face your bad. And you know you're bad cause you're using the badge to get away with all your legendary trickery. But that's okay, cause life ain't fair and people ain't motherfucking innocent. But my motherfucking scar on my face stays there, and he ain't never gonna give up, I swear. Cause I'm gasping for air, and it's tricky out here. Won't you tell me about it? Won't you tell me about it? How it's tricky out here. Don't you dare, don't you swear, don't you bear all the things that it is in this motherfucking world when I'm gasping for air, but the scar stays on my face, I swear. And I don't take it easily, cause it's so hard on a motherfucker, I swear. I swear. Don't think I'm fucking around, I ain't fucking around. Heat the beat, take my beat, eat my beat, listen to my beat. Here we go again with another one, I swear. Gasping for air. Gasping for air, and it's tricky out here. Don't you ever know, life ain't easy, life is hard. 21, 2020, 21, 2020, 22. I don't care, I know that I'm gonna be fair, even though life ain't fair. And I'm gasping for air, and it's tricky out here. And I'm going hard, I swear, I'ma hit it like a bear. That I'm taking it in like I dare you to take me on, and I'ma kick it carelessly, I swear. I'm gasping for fucking air. Yeah.